Good morning, everybody. If you're on my channel at the moment, it means that you've been here before and yet you do care, and I thank you for that. Once again today, two families are living every parent's nightmare. Cornelia Maria Bezuidenhout and Inotando Tamahama. They vanished days ago, these two young girls, and we need your help to bring them back home. Firstly, let's talk about Cornelia Maria Bezuidenhout. She's only 17 years old. Now, she was last seen on the 2nd of June in the area of well, the area of Talton. It's a small holding area of Talton that's in Gauteng. Now, this lady has Asperger's, which could mean a few things. One, she may not respond to a name. Two, she's probably going to avoid crowds. And three, she's going to check out isolated areas. And lastly, she most likely will avoid eye contact. So please, if you think you've seen her, if you suspect you may have seen her or know somebody who may have, if you heard something, if you suspect anything, please let's help this family bring their daughter back home. This young lady is going to be absolutely freaked out and frightened out there because of the Asperger's. So please let's do whatever we can to help bring this young lady home. Should also mention that if you do see her, please do not approach her, but rather keep her under observation and inform the authorities. They are skilled enough to deal with her because most likely when you approach her, she may actually run away because of what she's suffering. So please just keep that in mind. And then we also have Inotando, who's only 13 years old. So Inotando, like I said, is only 13 years old. Inotando Tamahama. She, on the 2nd, which is Sunday, the 2nd of June, she left her home in Browns Farm, that's out in the Western Cape, to go to church in Philippi East. She hasn't returned. She hasn't been seen or heard from ever since then. This is critical. So if you're out in that area, Philippi East, Browns Farm area, if you're out there, it's all very adjacent to one another. If you're out there, please, she may very well be in that area. Please can you shake and make sure her name and her face stays out there until we find her. This, the family is frantic for any information. Please look at the face, look at the area she's in. She was last seen wearing a maroon dress and brown khakis. So please, if you think you know something, if you have seen something, if you know somebody who said or mentioned something, please contact the numbers on the screen, or else, like I said, drop me a message or drop me a DM, anything. But most importantly, anything, any lead that we have that we can give to the authorities. That one, what to us may seem insignificant, maybe exactly what the authorities need to find these two young girls. Their families are frantic for any news whatsoever. And again, thank you for being on my channel. And if you can please share, subscribe, and share as much as we can, I really do appreciate that.